Hey, it's Kent here from Apprentice Recruit, and if you're out there looking for a position as a Landscape Site Supervisor in the Brisbane region, then keep watching. Our today's job of the day could be the one for you. Today we picked up a position for a mid-tier landscape company that are looking for somebody in the South Brisbane region to look to take on a very hands-on role with their company. Being the site supervisor, not only will you be looking after other members on site from within your own team, but also looking after contractors that are coming through. So we need somebody who's got some well-bedded experience within the landscape construction industry. Being a mid-tier company, they work on large-scale projects. So we're talking up to 50-acre developments that they do for, say, new housing estates. And that can be anything from the construction of bollards to revegetation to planting of trees and also turf on a large scale. So it's certainly not on the residential side of things. So if the residential side is what you're experienced in or you're after, this probably isn't quite the role for you. Again, it's a major project. So there's a lot of large machinery that they use and a lot of contractors that they bring in to do a lot of that large planting and turfing as part of their projects. We're looking for somebody who's got at least a couple of years experience and preferably in some sort of a supervisory capacity within the landscape construction area, commercial side, and somebody who would come from more within the South Brisbane region, just to keep you a little bit closer to a lot of where the work is that you'll be working on. This is a full-time salaried position and also includes company vehicle and fuel card. So there's a few little perks that are thrown in there as well. This is for an immediate start. So as soon as we can find the right person, then our client is ready to go. If you are interested in this role, we will certainly leave a link in the description below. Or if you know anybody out there that you also feel as though may be interested in applying for this particular role and have got some good experience in this area, then we also encourage you to share this with them and also get them to click on that link and to apply. We also encourage you to subscribe to our channel and also click on the notification button, and that way as more positions come through our agency that you feel as though you may be interested in or may know somebody who may be looking for work in certain areas, then you'll also get notified straight away as soon as positions come through. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and it's Kent once again from Apprentice Recruit. Thanks.